Okay, so basically what I'm after here is I'm trying to find a mirror. And the only little mirror I can think of that I got is off this spare mirror I got from my Silvia. And I've already taken one of these apart like 7 years ago because my car came without a mirror, and I have 3 odd mirrors just laying around that I had to cobble together to make one mirror. So if you look at the car at some point, which you can't really see it because I plastic dipped them to make the colors match, but the one mirror is made of a black base from this, and then the matching mirror from my car, and then I got another hollow body in my other shed with the remaining pieces that I basically just glued together so that if I ever need a mirror, I got a solid case that all matches and is in the right position. That's in the event that I ever need one, but hopefully I won't ever need it. But at this point, I'm going to actually take this apart because I don't quite remember exactly how this goes together. I believe it's just this one screw and everything comes apart. It's this one screw here. And then we'll see what's inside. It was actually a lot easier than I was expecting. There'd be a little more dicking around and pulling it apart. Okay. So this is actually off of like a legit Silvia, so it's got the mirrors and everything. That would fold in. Oh, maybe this one's actually off a 240SX. Mine's a legit Silvia, so the one mirror I got actually has a motor in it, so the motor will fold the car, or the mirror inside of the car to itself, which doesn't work anymore. I'm sure the motor works. I just haven't bothered to try to make it work because I could care less if it works or not. It's just more problems that I could have. That does not want to come off. So it's not using the clip properly. Come on. Oh, it's got a nice seal in there. It's stuck. It's a really nice seal. And I guess, yeah, that's exposed to all the elements. Water's going to get in and around. Interesting. I don't want to break anything because God knows how much this fucking mirror will actually cost to replace. So, do I want to try and pull this off, or do I want to keep it as is? Get a little... See, it's just held on by little plastic clamps there, so this is risky business considering this part's probably 35 years old. It does, and if it starts to look like it's going to break, or I do break one, I'm just going to leave it as is and use the mirror like this. I don't even know why I'm attempting this, to be honest. More out of curiosity. Yeah, there's one. Be as gentle as I possibly can. Yep, 2. I think the rest should come relatively easy now. One more. Oh, that's why there's glue. That's why the first couple pulls were difficult. Right, I got the motor movement assembly. And my mirror. Wonder if I can reassemble this now so I don't lose anything. So I'll just wrap this up inside. Put back on. Which side? Yep. So the wire isn't in the way. Now in theory, I should be able to just press the mirror back in when I want to. And everything, all those clips should just clip back on, and I have a ready assembly outside of the fact that this wire is going to have to be dealt with, so I'll probably still have to pull it apart, but it's not a concern at the moment.